Banco Products India Limited, an engine cooling systems manufacturer. Company has more than 6 decades of experience in manufacturing radiators, oil coolers, cooling assemblies, charged air coolers, and more. About 93% of the revenue is generated from cooling systems. Company also manufactures engine sealing systems, which include various types of gaskets and rubber products. These products are used in diverse industry segments. About 40% of the revenue is generated from the automobile segment. The company was incorporated in 1961 and got public in 1987. They are based in Vadodara, with more than 400 employees and 2,700 workers. Company has 5 manufacturing plants, located in Vadodara, Waghodia, Jamshedpur, Zahirabad, and Rudhpur, and 1 research and development center in Vadodara, with a production capacity of more than 33 lakh radiators per annum. The market cap of the company is 4,868 crore rupees, and currently trading at 681 rupees per share. The company has a 22% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 34% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has 3 wholly owned subsidiaries, in India and Netherlands. Banco New Energy Cooling Systems was established to specifically cater cooling system needs for electric vehicles. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 20 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company exports to more than 40 countries, with revenue concentration of 73% from domestic and 27% from exports. Some clients of the company are Tata Group, Ashok Leyland, JCB, TAFE Tractors, TVS, Swaraj Mazda, Mitsubishi, Indian Railways, Mahindra, and more. Top 5 clients contribute about 35% of the total revenue, indicating low client concentration. Company serves clients from 36 states in India and has a strong distribution network in more than 80 countries. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.